Hello!
YouTube.
I'm Nicole.
I'm Michaela. This is my axe. This is my sexy hammer. Hey, buddy.
In the last video we were kind of being ourselves. We were playing a game of Twister.
Which Nicole won.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. We didn't die or anything. Our camera person, Heather, kinda turned it off, so we didn't really feel like doing that over again. And the dog was not planned in it, by the way, because, yeah. And, I'm gonna be using this ham and...
Ham?
Yeah, totally. Let's use ham. Well, I'm gonna use this axe, and she's gonna use the hammer.
Yep.
We're gonna destroy a keyboard, because I was kind of wondering what was inside a keyboard. Come on, you can't tell me you never wondered what was inside a keyboard. Like, seriously. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's get started.
Let's get the keyboard. Yeah.
You didn't show about me.
Oh, well. We're gonna be destroying.
Is it aimed down that way?
Yeah. It's gonna be destroying this keyboard.
It doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, it's kind of
Don't worry, music
broke.
lovers.
Oh, wait, no. I need to move this back. You guys can't see. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna be destroying that. I'm gonna be using the axe, and Miss Heather.
Hi.
Heather.
Watch.
Hi.
Yes, Heather. So, yeah. Let's get started. You guys ready?
Yep.
Hi! I was waiting for this moment my whole life. Not really, but okay. Ready? Set, go.
Hold on.
It's stuck! I'm gonna break you out. Damn it. Okay, can I break you out?
Yeah. Good.
Wait.
That hit your face. Oh my god. Hold on. This is the keyboard key, if you ever wondered.
Wait, here's another one.
Sharper.
No! I need help. I'm stuck.
Man, that's good.
Oh, wait.
Oh, let me break you out.
Chill. You scare me with that axe.
I scared a lot of people with this axe. Should we break the other side too? Yeah. Whatever. By the way, please do not do this at home.
Yes, children, do not do this at home. That is a destroyed keyboard. Okay. This is getting dangerous.
What's that? Something sticking out of that.
That's a speaker.
Yo, Jesus! No, come on, I'm gonna break this part off real quick. Okay, chill for a moment. Seriously, don't hit it yet. I kind of want to see it speaker. Okay, this.
Lower it.
This is a speaker from the keyboard.
I want to see the axe.
No, my axe!
Alright, that's good. Alright.
It's destroyed!
No, it's not.
Hold on, one more hit. No, seriously.
Please don't do this at home.
Now go back to the camera real quick. Go back to the camera real quick. Show us.
Show us the damage.
Okay. This is what the keyboard looks like now. Flip the keyboard over.
Holy crap.
Isn't that great?
Alright.
Show us again.
Now we have to clean this up before Nikki's parents get home.
Yeah, my parents. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So seriously, do not do this at home.
Please don't.
Unless you have parent supervision. Okay?
Yeah, we have parental supervision.
Yeah, totally. And please subscribe to us on VNDC1998.
And comment on what you think we should do for the next show.
Yeah, like what we should destroy, and not a car because we really can't get a car.
From a junkyard.
How the hell am I supposed to get a car from the junkyard? And yeah, please comment what you think about this keyboard. Don't worry, it was broken. So if you're a music lover, yeah. Please comment on what you think of my axe. Isn't it beautiful? I know, it's beautiful. It's a little old, but
Alright.
it does damage. So does a hammer. There's a lot you can do. There's a lot you can do with a hammer and an axe. Yeah. Well,
Now we can clean this up.
Well, that's it. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. Please subscribe, comment.
Bye.
Bye.